I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and this is how we render an image in Blender using Eevee or Cycles. Let's hop into Blender, create a general project, and if we want to just right out the gate render with Eevee, we can just hit F12, and we have ourselves an image. We can go to save, save as, and save the image wherever you would like. Now, we want to switch to Cycles by going to Render and Render Engine to Cycles. This is for more of a hyper realistic. Let's go device, GPU, depending on your PC. If you have a decent graphics card, that's what I recommend. And with that, we can hit F12 again and go for more of a hyper realistic look on a render. That's all there is to it. Just go to image and save when it is complete, and you are ready to rock. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.